Dear students, good morning everybody. I am UK Singh, PGT Pol Science from Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan, Darbhanga. Dear students, in previous classes, we discussed that newly elected assembly, which was called convention, abolished monarchy on 21st September 1792. Means the convention abolished monarchy on 21st September 1792. Now question and established Republic in France. Now question rises here that what is a republic? As we saw that a form of government where the people elect the government as well as the head of the nation is called a republic. Similarly, there is no hereditary monarchy. You can try and find out about some other countries that are republics and investigate when and how they became so. It means you find out that which countries are now republics, and you have to find out that how did they become so, how did they become republics. Louis XVI, we saw that Louis XVI was sentenced to death by court on the charge of treason, means anti-national and anti-human. On 21st January 1793, he was executed publicly at the Place de la Concorde. The Queen Mary Antoinette met with the same fate shortly after. It means the Louis XVI and Queen Mary Antoinette both were executed. Now, today we will discuss about the region of terror. Dear students, as Macmillan Robespierre, an active member of Jacobin Club, was elected as the president of France. He fought in 1793. He followed a severe control and punishment policy. Or you can say that the period from 1793 and 1794 is called the Reign of Terror in France. As Macmillan Robespierre was elected the head of the nation as the president of France, he followed a severe control and punishment policy. All the ex-nobles, clergy, members of other political parties, even the members of their own political party who did not agree with his policy or with the government's policies were enemies in his eyes. These people who were considered enemies of the revolutionary government were arrested, imprisoned, and then tried by a revolutionary tribunal or revolutionary court. If they were found guilty, then they were executed to death. They were hanged to death or with guillotine. What is a guillotine? So guillotine is a device. Guillotine is a device consisting of two poles and a blade with which person is beheaded. Okay? Now, the Robespierre government issued laws placing a maximum ceiling on wages and prices. Meat and bread were rationed. Peasants were forced to transport their grains in the cities and sell them on the prices fixed by the government. Peasants were forced to supply their grains in cities and to sell them on the price fixed by the government. The use of more expensive white wheat or white flour wheat was forbidden. It means the best quality of white flour wheat was forbidden, was restricted from use. All citizens were required, or all citizens had to use the pain d'égalité, means equal bread, a loaf made of whole wheat. Super quality of wheat flour was forbidden by the government. Equality was also sought to be practiced through forms of speech. It means equality for speech was introduced